Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. Winchell from the CISD Splash program. Today I have two friends with me.
Mr. Kevin.
And Miss Middleton.
So today's lesson is called Super Snacks. Did you know that snacks can be healthy? They can be healthy if they come from our My Plate food groups. So with my friends, let's talk about the 5 food groups. First of all, we need to identify the 5 food groups. So can you give me one of them, Kevin?
Sure. My favorite, fruits.
All right, so we have fruits. Very good. Fruits give us lots of vitamins and minerals. Miss Lisa, can you give me a food group?
The other half of that plate, I'm going to say vegetables.
All right, so we got vegetables. Gives us lots of vitamins and minerals and lots of water. Good, so we got 2 out of 5. Mr. Kevin, can you give me another one?
All right, how about grains?
All right, so we have grains. Grains give our bodies energy to run, to play, to exercise. Good. There's 3 out of 5. Miss Lisa?
I'm going to go with protein, the purple one.
All right, so protein gives our bodies
Makes them muscles nice and strong.
Very good. All right, and last but not least,
Dairy.
dairy. Very good. So there are our 5 food groups. So for the most part, if we are eating from our 5 food groups, we know that we are eating healthy snacks. All right, so my friends have some snack cards with them. I am going to give them a food group, and they are going to show me a healthy snack from that food group. So we're going to start with our fruit food group. We'll start with Mr. Kevin. Can you give me a healthy snack from the fruit food group?
I think so. All right. How about
Raspberries.
raspberries?
How many out there think raspberries are a healthy snack? Yes, raspberries have lots and lots of vitamins. All right, Miss Lisa? So we're fruit.
I'm going to go with an orange.
Ooh, orange.
That's a great
For
snack.
sure. Lots of vitamin C, which keeps our immune system, which helps us fight off coughs and colds strong. Very good. Okay, let's go with, how about a vegetable? Mr. Kevin, you got a vegetable food that's a healthy snack?
How about... No, actually I don't.
No vegetable?
No
Okay.
over here.
All right. How about Miss Lisa?
I think I do. Zucchini.
Ooh, zucchini. Yes, zucchini is a very healthy snack.
That's a good one.
Very good. Okay, so let's go on to our grain food group. Remember, grains give our bodies energy to
Miss
exercise, to play sports. Miss Lisa, do you have a grain?
I do. I am going to go with, how about an English muffin?
All right,
English muffin is my grain.
Very good. All right, Mr. Kevin, do you have a grain snack that's healthy choice?
I do. And it's amazing. Is that okay?
Sure.
All right. It's animal crackers.
Animal crackers, all right? Animal crackers give our bodies energy.
Now, Mr. Winchell, what if I find these animal crackers and they've got frosting all over them? Are those still healthy?
I gotta give it a thumbs down.
Darn it.
All right, a
All
lot of extra sugar. We'll talk about sometimes snacks a little bit.
All right,
later,
all right.
but- All right, so we got our fruits, we got our vegetables, we got our grains. Let's go to the muscle building snacks. Protein.
Miss Lisa.
Miss Lisa, do you have a protein food that's a good snack?
I do. I'm going to go with eggs.
Eggs, yes. Eggs are a very, very good source of protein.
I love hard-boiled eggs.
Yeah.
Can we skip to dairy? Because I
Sure.
love dairy.
Let's slip. All right, go ahead.
All right. I'm going to say mustard cheese. Or any type of cheese
All right.
cubes.
So cheese is interesting because it actually is a dairy, but it is actually a protein too.
Yeah.
All right. Cheese is a good source of protein.
Mr. Kevin, do you have any other dairies in your hand?
I do. I also have yogurt. And this
Oh.
says plain yogurt, but any type of yogurt is good too.
All right. Big thumbs up on yogurt.
A quick thing about yogurt too, if we want to talk about protein, Greek yogurt is going to be the best one. That's got the most protein in it for you. Be careful because some yogurts have a lot of sugar in them, but if you can't really go wrong with Greek yogurt or plain yogurt for the most part.
All right. So I have a question for my friends. Do we get a snack from each of the food groups? Do we get a fruit, vegetable, dairy, grain, and protein? All right.
Yeah.
Very good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a snack. All right, these are healthy snacks, and I want my friends here to tell me what food group they are in. All right, so my first snack is string cheese. String cheese is a healthy snack. My friends tell me what food group is string cheese in?
I'm gonna say dairy.
Very good. All right, and it provides our bodies with protein. So,
And why is it in the dairy food group?
because it's made from
A
Milk.
cow?
yeah.
Milk, right?
So
And you can get milk from other animals too besides a cow, which is kind of cool.
that's true. All right, here actually this is one of my favorite snacks, and it's definitely healthy. Strawberry. What food group would this strawberry be in?
I think it's in the fruit food group.
Yeah, for sure.
I
Yeah.
think you're right.
And these grow in Michigan. All right, here's another one of my favorite healthy snacks. Almonds.
Mm.
What food group would almonds be in?
I'm gonna say protein.
I would agree.
All right, yeah. Excellent source. Nuts, almonds, cashews, great source of protein. All right, let's move on to another one of my healthy snacks. Celery. What food group would celery be in?
I know this one. Celery's in the vegetable food group.
Mm.
Yeah, vegetable. I like to put a little bit of peanut butter on my celery to give me a little protein. So we're getting two food groups with that.
I like to put a little raisins on my peanut butter on my celery.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Then that would be 3 food groups.
Whew, we're getting crazy.
All right, last but not least, here's another one of my go-to healthy snacks. How about granola bar? What food group would granola bar be in?
It's gonna be in the grain food group.
Yeah, what a great snack to grab and go when you're in a hurry.
And does anybody remember what do grains do for our bodies? What is their number one job?
They give us energy.
Energy, very good. So that we can get out and exercise.
Yeah.
All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm going to show you a snack, and I want you to give me a thumbs up if you think it's healthy, or a thumbs down if you think it's what's called a sometimes snack.
What's
So-
a sometimes snack, Mr. Winchell? What makes it a
Any
sometimes
idea, Mr.
snack?
Kevin? What's a sometimes snack?
Yeah, it's a food that maybe you just don't eat it all the time. You know, it's got a little too much sugar in it, and there's not a lot of things to keep your body going and keep your body healthy. All the benefits that we talked about that are in the 5 food groups, this really doesn't have them. So a sometimes food just is a food that you eat sometimes and not all the time.
Very good. Lots of sugar, maybe lots of salt that isn't good for our bodies.
Yeah.
Okay, here's my first one. Give me a thumbs up for healthy or a thumbs down for sometimes. How about chocolate chip cookies?
Hey, unfortunately, that's a sometimes food.
Yeah, they might taste really good, but do they have a lot of nutrients in them? Probably not. No. All right, how about peanuts?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a
Remember
good
we
one.
talked about peanuts? Peanuts are a very good source of protein. They keep us full, a really good snack.
Yep.
All right, how about chocolate
This one's
cake?
got to be good for you, right?
Chocolate cake.
Dang it.
Yeah.
But what about on your birthday or a special occasion? Can
Yeah.
we eat it then?
That's okay. That's a sometimes.
And
That's a sometimes occasion.
That's why we call it sometimes, because you can eat it once in a while, but do we want to eat chocolate cake every day?
Well,
That's
we
lots.
kind of do, but
Lots
we're not
of
really
sugar.
supposed to.
No.
It wouldn't be good for us.
All right, how about this next one? A ripe, juicy peach.
Honestly, that's one of my
All
favorite
right.
foods.
Remember, the peach is from the fruit food group. Can you ever go wrong with fruits for a bit or for a snack?
No.
All right. How about a chocolate brownie?
Yeah, that's a no.
Yeah,
Even though it tastes really good.
lots of sugar. All right. How about chocolate candy bar?
This one's pretty easy for me. I'm not a huge chocolate candy bar fan.
Yeah, that would definitely be a sometimes snack. How about snack crackers?
Mm-hmm. This is a
Snack
tricky one.
crackers.
I'd say
All
yeah.
right, so we got something from the grain, a snack from the grain. Does give our body some energy.
And I like to cut up cheese and eat cheese with my crackers.
Very good. Or a little peanut butter wouldn't be bad on there.
Yeah,
for a
especially
snack.
if you can find whole wheat crackers too. Those are the best ones for you.
Could even put, this is kind of crazy, but you could put a little piece of vegetable on there.
Yeah. I mean, you can really make like a sandwich out of it. You could replace it with a piece of bread, basically.
Crackers aren't too bad. How about a frosted donut?
Wait, Mr. Winchell, are we saying that if I want to eat that right now, we give it a thumbs up, or are we saying only if it's healthy we give it a thumbs
Only
up?
if it's healthy.
Oh, okay. Then this is a sometimes food.
Yeah. Donuts, lots of sugar.
But what about for breakfast? Lots of people eat donuts for breakfast.
They do. Does anybody think that there's lots of vitamins or minerals or any kind of nutrients in a donut?
Probably not.
Not really. No. A little bit of energy, but the sugar kind of counteracts that.
So once in a while I could have a donut.
Sometimes.
for
Yeah.
breakfast?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, got a couple more here. How about green peppers?
Yeah, that's a good snack. That's going
Yes.
to go in the vegetable food group.
For sure. Green peppers have excellent vitamins. They have lots of vitamin C, which keeps us healthy. All right, lastly, how about
Oh yeah,
cottage cheese?
that's a 2 thumbs up. That's one of my favorite foods too.
What do you like to put with your cottage cheese, Mr. Calhoun?
Okay, this is weird, but I personally like to cut up some tomatoes and then I just put like a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's how I eat mine. Some people put fruit in there, it's like peaches, stuff like that, but it's either plain with some seasoning or with tomatoes in it. I don't know. That's what I eat. I know it's kind of weird. What about you?
I like the peaches. I like to put fruit
Yeah.
in the cottage cheese.
That's cool.
All right, boys and girls, that was our lesson, Super Snacks. Remember, we eat snacks to give us nutrients, protein, vitamins, and minerals, and most of the food groups, if we're eating from the food groups, are going to be good choices as far as healthy snacks. So remember to choose healthy snacks at home and at school. And we will see you soon.
Thanks, guys. Bye.